Hello, this is F53. So I will show you the ambient lighting for my car. The model is a Mini Cooper S F56. So I got the key right here. So every time you unlock the car, the light will go on. Okay, so we'll look up to the interior. Oh, okay. So we turn off the light, which will give you better view for the lighting. So I got key right here. This is keyless entry, so all you have to do, put your brake and hit the button to start. Okay, so I'll show you the color for the ambient lighting here. First thing, I will change the setting here. My current standard view is the engine speed. I will explain it later. So I will change to the ambient lighting. So the light in the central console change. Okay, so as you can see, the color right here is a purple one. Okay, so there are 5 different area that has light on it. So the first one on the door panel. So as you can see, right and left door panel. The second one is on the floor. So you can see my legs right here. The third one on the center, which I put my USB pen drive here. So the fourth one is on the center, as you can see right here. And the last is on the button up right here. The 2 different area. Okay, so I will change the color. So right now it's a purple, so I change to the pink, red, orange, light orange, yellow, bright yellow, light green, green, turquoise, blue, purple, and pink. So we change to the red. So I will show you how the light shows up. Actually, it's quite nice when on the night. Okay, so there's a secret trick that which I will show you. So all you have to do is hold the ambient lighting button for at least 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, so the central light will change the color every 1 second. So you can see right now it changed every 1 second. So tap the little button here to stop the color to change. So you have the blue color right now. So I will change back to my old setting, standard view, change to the engine speed. Okay, so you can see there's a two color right here. So the left one is the white and right is the orange one. So right now it indicates your ref meter. So I'll show you. So the light will goes up every time I ref. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. Peace.